Hello all, welcome, new day, new video, and today we will see this magic track. So we will just play the things. I have already attached all the things for the magic track, and also some bridges have been done to make it fun. And also we will see how it looks from the driver's perspective on the magic track. And then we will see the driver's perspective of the car, how it looks from the driver's point of view also. So let's keep in this now. So now the car is rotating. I have set it properly so that it does not get stuck anywhere. So I have made the corrections on the track before shooting this video, and then we will also see how it looks on the. Made some more corrections now, and now the track is a bit okay. It went down once when we were shooting. So that's it. Now it's working fine. So now we will see the driver's point of view also, how it looks. It's a raw cam. You can check how it looks. So it's fun to see both the perspectives, one with this kind of view and the second one from the driver's point of view. So now you can see guys how it looks in the dark as well. It's the rainy season, but it's pitch dark over here with just small sunlight. So you can see how the car looks. The lights are going bright on the track. Looks awesome. It's a must-have. Due to the different colors of the track and then the colors of the lights of the car, so it looks a bit different. Different colors on the different portions of the track. That's it. This is available across all the platforms. So if you like this video, please hit the like button. Do try this for your kids. Thanks a lot. Bye.